Okay, obviously, for the photo mode, you have just the regular photo, so you just take that like that. Next, you have the Aeb mode. This basically takes three photos at different EV modes, so 0 point, negative 0.7, point 0, and positive 0.7. So you take those photos, and in post, you make a HDR image out of that. So it's basically HDR photo, but you have to do it manually. Time shoot every 5 seconds. If you press that down, it will shoot a photo every 5 seconds, so you can even be flying your drone around and it will be taking photos for you. Okay, sorry about that. I had to restart that for a second. So to get back to the time shoot, you can take a photo every 5 seconds and it should show alive. So it's going to take photos, so it stops your live while it's taking the photo. So yeah, you can move around, and it's kind of like a video. I won't save it as a video though, so just to keep note of that. Okay, and next is drone mode. So basically you put a scroll with your finger on the object you want. The cool thing about this is they updated it, so now if you move to the right or left, it will actually go in a circle, so it won't diagonally go right or left. It will go around you, and it is a little fast, so watch out for that. So right when you go into this drone type of mode, it will do this. So this isn't drone mode, this is just me throttling to the left with my right stick. So next I am going to go in the drone mode and show you what that looks like. So I'm going to press start here, and what it's basically going to do is it's going to fly away from me from 80 feet away. And when it's done, it's going to come back. So now, as you can see, it's returning back to me. And it has completed its task. Next is rocket. And you can also change the feet right there by scrolling with your finger, as you can see there too. So rocket's, another quick shot mode. It's going to fly above me, and wherever you settle it, it's going to start going forward more and more, a tad bit, to wherever your location is, and then basically when it drops down, it should come just right in front of you. Okay, and the next one is circle mode. So actually, I prefer to do it manually. When you go to the right stick or left stick, you manually do kind of move it yourself, and but you can also have it AI do it. So just scroll with your finger again, press start, and it'll go around you.
So in this part of the video, my battery on my drone started to go low, so I stopped voice recording at the location. So at this point, I am doing the circle mode, and circle mode does not take that long to take. And once it's completed, it should stop right in front of you or where you stopped at. Next is the Helix mode, but I am not going to show you that because it's the same thing as circle mode. It basically goes in a circle, but it goes higher at a different elevation. So the next one is Boomerang, and this one's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you guys this one, and it goes around you, and then it goes up, and then it comes back at the location that you also started at. And that's it for all the quick shots modes. Next is the sphere modes. So you can take a 360 photo, you can take a 180 photo, and a wide angle. So the first one we're going to do is the sphere. And do keep note that the sphere mode does take a while to collect all the photos, because it's also going to stitch it too.
Okay, so after done with sphere, we're going to go to the 180 shot. So it does the same thing, it stays in the same spot, but it takes its photo first, then it goes to the left and it takes its photo, or the right. My right, it's left, and then it starts to go to its right and take photos as well. And it actually stitches it itself in the app, so you don't have to worry about that either. And next we have the wide angle. Takes photos up and down from the starting position of where you press go, and then it goes right and left and up and down. And there you have it, done with all of the special modes for the photos, the single, AEB, time shot, all the quick modes we went through, and the sphere, 180, and wide angle. Okay, so next we're going to go over the about section. It's pretty simple. You can name your drone right there. Next is the model of your drone. So the DJI Mini 2 is what I'm going over with. The aircraft firmware, the RC firmware, the FlySafe database, and FlySafe database for apps, and the app version. So these are just the types of updates that are on your drone controller and your app as a whole. And then under that is all the serial numbers down there. And that's it for the about section. Now I was trying to figure out how to change the Aeb mode from 3 to 5. They did have that in an older update. You were able to just click it and it would pop up on the side, kind of like the time shoot, how you can scroll and choose 5 to 60 seconds, but it's not like that anymore, and I wish that was back, because I was hoping to shoot in 5 photos, but I guess you can't do that. So if you guys know how to change that, or if there's something I don't know, then please leave in the comments. That would be nice. But yeah, there you go. There's the full tutorial on how to use the DJI Fly app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like the video, and see you guys in the next one.